Here's how to do picture in picture in Premiere Pro. So this is my main video. Now I'm dragging my secondary video that will be picture in picture. Then selecting the second video, going to effect controls, and here I'm just scaling the video clip, making it a little bit smaller just like this. And now select motion and you can change the second video clip location just like this. After that, you can add a drop shadow to make this picture in picture more realistic. To do that, go to effects and search for drop shadow and add the drop shadow effect to the picture in picture clip. Then after selecting the clip, go to effect controls under drop shadow. Here you can click on this drop shadow color to select a different color for the drop shadow. Selecting black color, and here you can increase the opacity. And you can also change direction of the shadow. You can change distance just like this. Here you can see the result, and you can add some softness value to make the drop shadow soft. And that's how you can actually make picture in picture in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching.